Hello everyone and welcome to another Smart Arts What's in the Box. My name is Jake and today I'm going to be going over what is in October's Smart Art box. How about we hop down below and see what we got going. Alright, so when you open your box up, the first thing you're going to see is the brochure here, which is going to have a lot of great information on what is in this box. Along with what's in the box, this brochure also has two different step-by-step guides. The first quick start guide is a foundation skills and more of a beginner level skill set. And the second one, the skill challenge guide, is for those who want to challenge themselves just a little bit more. And the last thing on this, on the very back, is where you're going to find your weekly challenge prompts for the month. And the first item out of this box is the 6-pack PITT Artist Brush Pens. These set of brush pens are great for sketching, drawing, and making professional illustrations. With its stiff brush nib, you can use these to create very fine lines or wide brush strokes. And the next item out of this box is the 4-pack PITT Manga Black Pen Set. This 4-pack has everything you need to create some amazing ink drawings, with everything from a super fine liner to a stiff brush pen. Next out of this box is the FABER-CASTELL Grip Mechanical Pencil. This is a very comfortable, sleek pencil with a nifty little twist-out eraser and a fully retractable tip to protect the graphite when you're traveling. And what's a pencil without its eraser? We have here the FABER-CASTELL LATEX-FREE eraser to help remove any line work or mistakes you may make in your sketching for these projects. And so you can add all the color you want to your drawings this month, we have here the CRETACOLor Artist Studio Colored Pencil 24-pack. These are a rich and vibrant, high-quality colored pencil that I'm sure you'll use to make very colorful drawings this month. And the last thing out of this box is this beautiful hand lettering paper that is going to go great with all the materials that came in this box. This paper has a bleed-proof surface that will work amazing for brush pens, markers, and calligraphy pens. And of course, we can't forget about our little pieces of candy and our sticker to wrap it all up. But that is all that we have in this box. Let's get everything set up so we can make some art with all these materials. So going into this, I had to brush up on my manga drawing skills a little bit. I used to draw a lot of this kind of stuff years ago, but I haven't really drawn anything manga-like in some time now. And the concept for this piece is I wanted to draw an anime-style versions of both me and my puppy Stormy. One thing I will point out is this paper is amazing with the pencil. It really just glides along the paper super well. And paired along with the eraser, the lines completely disappear when you erase, and it takes like zero effort. So a little tip I remembered from when I've used India ink based pens before is if you take a paintbrush with some water on it and you dab the marker on it, it'll actually desaturate the pen's ink just for a short amount of time. So this works out amazing if you want to get a little bit more variant with your colors from one pen. Like right here, I am doing that with the base color of the skin, and then I can actually go in with that same pen and add the shadows in. Now, I know I am not this tan in real life. I'm actually pretty ghostly white, to be honest. But I wanted to really get as much of the coloring done with the pens for this piece, and then go in with the colored pencils and add just a little bit more variant with the colors. But I'll let you guys enjoy this last bit here, and make sure you stay till the end to see the final results and to get some more information on this month's box. Alright everyone, that is everything in October's Smart Art box. I think this piece turned out great using these materials, but now it's your turn to start creating your own pieces using these materials. Now remember everyone, don't forget about the weekly challenge prompts that are on the back of your brochure, and watch out for the videos where I tackle them myself. Complete all 4 of the weekly challenges and post them using the hashtag SmartArtWeekly and SmartArtProject to get 500 Peacock points. Lastly, I wanted to let you guys know that Smart Art is actually launching a new set of special edition boxes called the Smart Art Bundle. These boxes highlight different mediums in each box. If you want more information on that, make sure you go over to the Smart Art webpage. And make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss more videos like this one. And if you guys like my work, make sure to check me out over on my personal channel over at Naughty Egg Draw. The link is going to be in the description. But that is all for today, everyone, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!